So do I expect that at some point in time, Labour Party will complete St. Jude? Yes, I do expect that. But at what cost?
The United Workers' Party is demanding answers from the ruling St. Lucia Labour Party administration regarding the total expenditure and long-term sustainability of the reconstruction work on the original St. Jude structure.
And for how long will the building be viable when the lifespan of concrete is between 80 to 100 years and the building is already 80 years?
The UWP fiercely opposes the SLP administration's decision to complete the original St. Jude structure, arguing that the PR executive should have continued the 2019 hospital project initiated under the UWP. Deputy Political Leader Guy Joseph has slammed the SLP for what he calls a blatant lack of progress on this critical healthcare facility. Under the Alain Chasney-led UWP administration, the project was halted for 3 years, pending 2 reviews. 2 pre-existing structures were demolished, while others were labeled unfit, abandoned, and replaced with clad-laden structures, marking what the UWP sees as a significant upgrade to what it believes the SLP has since disregarded.
We are still convinced that the decision made by the United Workers' Party to build a state-of-the-art hospital that would have been in operation 6 months after Labour came into office, had they continued the work, we would have had a brand new hospital operating downstairs for St. Jude. We would have had an international hospital operating upstairs, which would subsidize the operations of the local hospital downstairs. And you would have a school, medical school, operating in the old St. Jude building. Healthcare would have been much better under the United Workers' Party, and the development plans that we had for Viewfort calls for a premier health institution which the old St. Jude cannot afford us.
Joseph is demanding what the opposition says is financial accountability and transparency from the SLP administration, urging them to disclose the project's cost. The St. Jude reconstruction has remained a highly contentious issue since the hospital was gutted by fire on September 9, 2009, a tragedy that claimed 3 lives and left several others injured. Solange Alfred, HTS News Force.